Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. It helps reduce muscle tension and can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
Let's break it down.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. Stretching, stretch. Stretching, stretch. Stretching, stretch. Body. Body. Five. 5. Minutes. Minutes.
Essaie d'étirer ton corps pendant 5 minutes. Essaie de t'étirer pendant 5 minutes.
Repeat. Try stretching your body. Try stretching your body. For 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Usage examples. Try. You should try to get more sleep.
Tu devrais essayer de dormir plus.
I'm going to try to finish this book today.
Je vais essayer de finir ce livre aujourd'hui.
Why don't you try calling him?
Pourquoi tu n'essaies pas de l'appeler?
Try a new recipe for dinner tonight.
Essaie une nouvelle recette pour le dîner ce soir.
Stretching, stretch. I need to stretch my legs.
Je dois étirer mes jambes.
He started his day by stretching.
Il a commencé sa journée en s'étirant.
She felt better after stretching.
Elle se sentait mieux après s'être étirée.
She was stretching her legs after the long drive.
Elle étirait ses jambes après le long trajet.
Body. He has a muscular body.
Il a un corps musclé.
He takes good care of his body.
Il prend bien soin de son corps.
Your body needs a regular exercise.
Ton corps a besoin d'exercices réguliers.
Five. He has 5 cats.
Il a 5 chats.
I have 5 apples.
J'ai 5 pommes.
There are 5 people in my family.
Il y a 5 personnes dans ma famille.
She'll be back in 5 minutes.
Elle sera de retour dans 5 minutes.
Minutes. The meeting lasted 30 minutes.
La réunion a duré 30 minutes.
I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Je serai prêt dans 5 minutes.
She was 10 minutes late.
Elle avait 10 minutes de retard.
He arrived a few minutes ago.
Il est arrivé il y a quelques minutes.
It helps reduce muscle tension.
It helps reduce muscle tension. Muscle. Muscle.
Cela aide à réduire la tension musculaire.
Repeat. It helps reduce muscle tension. Reduce muscle tension. Usage examples. Helps, help. The medicine helps relieve pain.
Le médicament aide à soulager la douleur.
The guide helps tourists find their way.
Le guide aide les touristes à trouver leur chemin.
She helps her mother in the kitchen.
Elle aide sa mère dans la cuisine.
The charity helps those in need.
L'association caritative aide ceux qui sont dans le besoin.
Reduce. We need to reduce our expenses.
Nous devons réduire nos dépenses.
The government aims to reduce unemployment.
Le gouvernement vise à réduire le chômage.
The new law aims to reduce crime.
La nouvelle loi vise à réduire la criminalité.
He decided to reduce the amount of sugar in his diet.
Il a décidé de réduire la quantité de sucre dans son régime alimentaire.
Muscle. The heart is a muscle.
Le cœur est un muscle.
He has well-defined muscles.
Il a des muscles bien définis.
She has a muscle injury.
Elle a une blessure musculaire.
Regular exercise can help build muscle.
L'exercice régulier peut aider à construire du muscle.
Tension. He felt a tension in his neck.
Il a ressenti une tension dans son cou.
She tries to reduce tension by meditating.
Elle essaie de réduire la tension en méditant.
The tension on the rope was too great.
La tension sur la corde était trop grande.
There is a lot of tension between the two countries.
Il y a beaucoup de tension entre les deux pays.
and can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
And it can make you feel more relaxed and awake. Relaxed. 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 Awake.
Et cela peut te faire sentir plus détendu et éveillé.
Repeat. And it can make you feel. And it can make you feel. More relaxed and awake. More relaxed and awake. Usage examples. Make. Her words always make me smile.
Ces mots me font toujours sourire.
This movie always makes me cry.
Ce film me fait toujours pleurer.
This song makes me feel nostalgic.
Cette chanson me fait sentir nostalgique.
Your support makes a big difference.
Ton soutien fait une grande différence.
Feel. I feel happy when I see you.
Je me sens heureux quand je te vois.
She feels tired after the long journey.
Elle se sent fatiguée après le long voyage.
I feel like something is wrong.
Je sens que quelque chose ne va pas.
He feels the cold more than others.
Il sent le froid plus que les autres.
Relaxed. He seems relaxed despite the pressure.
Il semble détendu malgré la pression.
I feel relaxed when I listen to this music.
Je me sens détendu quand j'écoute cette musique.
A relaxed mind can think clearly.
Un esprit détendu peut penser clairement.
The atmosphere in the room was relaxed.
L'atmosphère dans la pièce était détendue.
Awake. The noise kept me awake.
Le bruit m'a gardé éveillé.
She is awake and ready for the day.
Elle est éveillée et prête pour la journée.
The baby is awake and needs attention.
Le bébé est éveillé et a besoin d'attention.
I was awake all night thinking about it.
Je suis resté éveillé toute la nuit à y penser.
Vocabulary recap. Try. Stretching, stretch. Your body. For 5 minutes. It helps help reduce muscle tension and can make you feel more relaxed, awake. Read. Listen.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. It helps reduce muscle tension and can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
Do you like stretching your body? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.